करने के बाद भी इनके तेवर देखो।
Allow me, Jyotsna, there is a.
कितने सालों तक जमानत है जब तो ये तमिलनाडु में
शर्म है।
सरकार बनाने में 20 साल लगे।
All right, thank you very much. Now, Jyotsna, on the debate, 2 versus 2, 3 versus 3, 1 versus 1. Jyotsna, get your audio, video bandwidth back for God's sake. Jyotsna, my question to you: what do you think is going on? Is the Hindu vote coming back? Is the national vote coming back? Or did the Modi vote factor never go away? How are you reading?
Arnab, people are voting for good governance. Simple. Haryana proved it. Do you have any questions, Arnab, on that? Because it's third time that they are forming the government. You have to talk about definitely the Lakpati Didi scheme that has absolutely become a symbol of outreach there. You have to talk about absolute, non-Jat voters being polarized, and also very
Modi
important
factor. Modi factor. Yeah, continue.
Definitely,
Modi
I'll tell you one more thing, Arnab. There is something called, smartness in politics. I think BJP has it. I have to accept that because in Haryana, 60 fresh faces. Aap samajh lo, 60 fresh faces, and you have got good result there. And again, I don't think Congress and especially Rahul Gandhi ji has got any right to talk about either Haryana or Jammu and Kashmir, because Jammu and Kashmir, it is not Congress win, it is National Conference that has won, and Congress का वहाँ पे 6 सीट है बस. भाई वो तो जान लो आप, दिमाग में रख लो आप, पहली बात. और दूसरी बात है, again and again they keep talking about caste, they keep talking about religion, they keep talking about all these kinds of things, but people think we'll talk about development. The women of Haryana thought, yes, self-help groups, they have fetched us. We need to let them continue. What's wrong in thinking about all this? And I was literally amused. I would use this term, Arnabji, amused by the comments of Rahul Gandhi ji. अरे कहाँ से आते हैं इनको ये शब्द कहाँ से आ जाते हैं? इनको ये वर्ड्स कहाँ से आते हैं? कौन इनपुट दे रहा है? I don't know who is the script writer for Rahul ji.
He is his own script writer. That is the problem.
Then he has to correct himself, Arnabji, because I see again, I am not against Rahul Gandhi ji in particular or in against Congress in particular, but you go out of the country, talk ill about the country.
I think I want to go into and get a clear response now from Lokesh. Lokesh, before you came into this program, the Aam Aadmi Party spokesperson said very clearly, Congress party has become overconfident. She also said the Congress party has become delusional and it is desperate to lose an election. 4 din mohabbat ki dukaan karke, if you are going to be stationed outside the country, if you have no consistency, 4 din mohabbat ki dukaan and then you go or whatever nafrat ki dukaan, and then you go to America, you go to England, you go to meet Ilhan Omar. Ilhan Omar is a sidekick of the ISI which sponsors Hafiz Saeed, and Rahul Gandhi spent a lot of time consulting with the ISI sponsored person. These are not things which are to be ignored. They are very serious matters. Now, these are words. And again, Samajwadi Party also said that I don't know what has happened to the Congress party. They are non-serious. They don't know what they are doing. They only want to depend on others. And Congress party is saying, how did Farooq Abdullah decide to make Omar Abdullah? He should have consulted us. We are partners. This arrogance. And where is Rahul Gandhi and Robert Vadra since yesterday? See, Robert Vadra said, I can fight an election anywhere in Haryana and sweep the election.
Arnab, I think you are well aware of the manner in which the verdict was delivered, and you also agree that if the Ahirwal area had not gone with the BJP would have been routed in Haryana. It is just the Ahirwal belt.
Oh.
The entire belt.
See, this is like pulling water out of a rock. If this belt had not gone, then we would have won. What are you talking about? You want to remove a large part of Haryana from the state. You want to balkanize Haryana.
will you allow me to talk?
Lokesh, accept the fact that you were defeated fair and
Listen,
square in
listen,
Haryana and congratulate
Arnab, I
the
do not
BJP.
have humility
Don't sit there
like-
and start crying.
Okay, no, but okay, 1 minute, sir, but I did not call. No, 1 minute.
शुरू हो जाता है आपका.
No, but
Well,
what
listen,
is?
the electoral verdict was not as bad as is being portrayed by you and other people. What I want to say is Congress has very well retained its electoral base, what it had before. There were certain setbacks that calls for introspection. And
my God.
Congress has always learned well.
to win
It will introspect
Reena,
and go
please
back
tell
to
him.
the drawing board.
Lokesh,
ये
Yeah,
क्या
yeah,
है?
yeah.
अच्छा, Reena is saying something to you. I'm not saying. 1 minute, Lokesh, मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूँगा. Reena is see.
Can I get 10 seconds?
Yeah, please, Reena, you please speak. Yeah.
See, Arnab, not just alliance partners, कांग्रेस के अपने पुराने नेता इंडिपेंडेंट्स की तरह चुनाव लड़े, इन सब बातों से कम 15-20 सीट्स पे असर पड़ा. तो यू हैव टू गेट योर ओन हाउस इन ऑर्डर. इस बार हरियाणा में सब बोल रहे थे कि सिर्फ एक इंसान ने टिकट बांटे हैं और एक जो इनकी दलित नेता हैं, महिला नेता, उनको कंसल्ट नहीं किया गया. आपके अपने ही लोग खुश नहीं थे. अलायंस पार्टनर्स की तो बात दूर की बात है. अपने लोगों ने एज इंडिपेंडेंट्स लड़े, 10-12 सीट्स में उसका असर पड़ा. कई सीट्स में आम आदमी पार्टी के साथ गठबंधन ना करने का असर पड़ा. तो एक जीतता हुआ चुनाव हारी है कांग्रेस पार्टी. अब इंट्रोस्पेक्शन की जरूरत है. अलायंस पार्टनर्स को साथ लेके चलने की जरूरत है. नहीं तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं? आप सिर्फ भाजपा को जिता रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं हो रहा है.
और एवरीडे एंटी मोदी से काम नहीं हो रहा है ना.
भाजपा को कोई जिता नहीं रही है. भाजपा को जिता रही है डबल इंजन कॉन्सेप्ट. भाजपा को जिता रही है नरेंद्र मोदी की पॉपुलैरिटी. भाजपा को जिता रही है.
अरे देखा है, डबल इंजन भी देखा है, ट्रिपल इंजन भी देखा है, सब कुछ देखा है. ट्रिपल इंजन देखा है, गुड़गांव में जाके देखो. संजू वर्मा, आई वांट टू इनवाइट यू, कम टू गुड़गांव. गुड़गांव में ट्रिपल इंजन चल रहा है आपका. देखा हमने कैसे गुड़गांव डूबा हुआ है हर समय. बरसात के टाइम में ना सड़क है, ना सीवर है, ना पानी है. ट्रिपल इंजन की सरकार चल रही है गुड़गांव में.
This woman,
देखो एक बार.
her name is Reena. Why are you calling her this woman?
Given free run on your show.
Her name is Reena Gupta.
Uncharitable language for the Prime Minister. If she uses uncharitable language for the Prime Minister, I will show her the mirror.
I did not use any uncharitable language. मैंने क्या बोला? आपके प्राइम मिनिस्टर बोलते हैं दीदी ओ दीदी. मैंने क्या बोला? मैंने तो एकदम सभ्यता से रही हूँ. मैंने क्या बोला?
Because you have a bad habit when BJP is about to make some points, you get the other side and you start.
Why
No,
should we
everybody
be
is
allowed to
speaking.
finish?
Be allowed.
Are you
I make my
special or
points
what?
in 30 seconds.
Why should we not be allowed to talk?
Be very clear
Is
about
Sanju
one
Verma
thing. In
special on
Haryana-
Arnab Goswami
in
show or
Haryana,
what?
No, everybody is having their turn. Please don't say things like that. No, Reena, everybody is getting their turn. I started with the other side. You should not say that. I started with the Samajwadi Party and you.
Unfair. You're being unfair.
I'm being unfair on nobody. You're all being unfair on me.
She's always like this.
Finish.